The aim of this protocol is to submit a proposed assessment procedure for the objective diagnosis of dyslexia at an early age. For the diagnosis of this specific learning disability, the protocol takes into account the evaluation of certain specific cognitive and linguistic determinants, following adequate instruction in reading and writing, response to intervention model, as well as the discrepancy, exclusion, and specificity criteria diagnosis model. This action protocol shows a dynamic model for the detection of dyslexia, which seeks to distinguish it from other comorbid problems and identify its characteristics and determinants in order to offer effective intervention and/or prevention at an early age.
Dyslexia has been considered one of the most common specific learning disabilities, and therefore a prominent disorder in neurodevelopment. It is characterized by difficulties with accurate and fluent word recognition, along with spelling and orthographical accuracy. It also entails difficulties in reading comprehension. There is often a lack of consensus about how to identify dyslexia. This is due to the ongoing debate about the adequacy of identification criteria offered by the different explanatory models. Debate from ambiguity in the definition given in dyslexia. On the one hand, the traditional perspective advocates a model of diagnosis for the identification of this problem. More recent time, however, response to intervention model has emerged as an alternative.
The diagnostic model considers several criteria when identifying dyslexia: the discrepancy criterion, the exclusion criterion, and the